Why a magnetic cable is so useful. Here's my tablet. I want to connect it. There it is. I haven't got to scrabble around looking for the hole aligning the USB-C plug. Sometimes that's quite difficult in the dark anyway. The connector seems to auto align. There doesn't seem to be, you don't have to adjust it at all. Now, what I didn't know was also an advantage of it is that if someone walks by and snags the cable like that, it doesn't pull the tablet and drop it onto the floor. It just disconnects. But I didn't initially buy it because it was easy to connect or disconnect. I bought it because somebody had already snagged the cable of my tablet and knocked it onto the floor, and it bent the connector, the internal connector. So it was getting very difficult to plug in the USB-C cable. So I thought if I got a magnetic one, I could just leave the end in there and just connect it whenever I want. So that's how I operate. The adapter there, as it were, the magnetic adapter end is always left in there. And in fact, in my case, it's jammed in there because the connector was very difficult to access. So I get the double advantage that it saved my laptop, and I just didn't know how easy it was going to be. I mean, I've always found fitting the connectors a bit fiddly anyway, but with the magnetic thing, it's wonderful. Now, to really get the full advantage of it, you need to fit in the correct magnetic adapter into all your kit, regardless of what type of connector they are. And then you only need one charging cable. You've got a universal charging cable.